Let's take this overboard now. I want you to ride. Change position.
Hey cuties, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me date night edition. So the way I like to start my date night get ready with me type of vibes are I like to start with my hair, trying to figure out the style. Today's style, I'm gonna do some heatless curls with my flexi rides. As you can tell, my hair was already kind of wavy, but I needed a little bit more oomph for the oomph tonight, okay? So yes, I'm going in with my flexi rides, and I'm just going to put a few of them in my head so that way I can have at least some curls tonight, you know? So once I have all my flexi rides in, I like to go in with some hairspray just to set my curls. And while that's it, I'm going to move on to my face. I'm going to start off by using the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Primer. Now this primer, y'all, is going to suck up all of the oils, honey, okay? And then once I put that into my face, I'm also going to set that primer with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in medium, because my face is very oily. Now, as y'all can tell, my eyebrows are super thick and I don't really have to fill them in. So what I like to do is take brow gel and at least tame them. Once they're tamed, I'm going to go in with my concealer in the color Fawn by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to carve that out to give it the effect as if I did draw them on. Just because I don't use any type of like pomade or pencil to draw them in, I still want them to look at least like I put some type of effort into them. So today's foundation of choice is the Black Opal Pore Perfecting Foundation in the color Nutmeg. If you have super oily skin like I do, this foundation is truly amazing when it comes to stopping the oils from seeping through. I'm just applying this with a damp sponge, and I'm applying a light layer everywhere except for my forehead. As far as concealer, I'm going in with the 16-Hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. in the color TANSAND. Now today was my first time trying this concealer out, and I must say I do love it. It was very full coverage and it had a matte finish, so I'm definitely adding this to my everyday routine. I'm just adding this to places on my face that I want to highlight and enunciate, and I'm just going to let that sit on my face for a while I contour next. For contour, I am going in with the Black Opal Skin Perfecting Foundation Stick in the color Suede Mocha. I don't use a lot of this because if you use too much, you definitely can give off a muddy type of look, and sis, that's not what we're going for, okay? We're trying to look snatched, not muddy, okay? So I'm just blending it out into where my concealer would fall, and then once I finish blending that out, I'm blending my concealer basically into the contour so that way it's very seamless and there are no harsh lines between the two. I'm just with the crew. We're not here looking for boo, 'cause some nights be better with you. Now once that's all blended in, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the color light medium, and I'm going to put thin layers underneath my eyes, and I'm going to press that in until it's basically soaked into my skin. That's how I keep my makeup from separating throughout the night, as well as stopping the oils from seeping through as well. And with the remaining powder that's on my sponge, I like to go in on my chin and also my forehead. Okay sis, now this is tea. If you want your nose to look snatched, you have to bring that loose powder up on your nose, okay? So I like to basically slim down my nose so I can give that Naomi Campbell, the Tyra Banks, okay sis? So this is how you do it. I'm spilling tea right here. Okay, so to set my contour, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance contour palette in the medium to dark shade, and I'm going to use that dark shade, the one that's hidden pan, you know, and I'm gonna lightly sweep that where I place the contour, just so it sets and it doesn't move or spread also throughout the night. I'm gonna take the remaining powder that's on that brush and basically do a soft contour of the nose, cause sis, I'm trying to be snatched tonight, okay? And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my SEPHORA MICROSMOOTH baking powder and put that everywhere except for under my eyes. Under my eyes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Sun Beige, just to make sure that I'm very highlighted under there. I wanna be popping tonight, okay? And then I'm going to take my Milani setting spray and spray that everywhere. And then I'm gonna press it in with my sponge. So just to make sure we set, okay? We're trying to be set. Now, the kicker is this highlighter came from the dollar store, okay? It was $3 and I am in love with it. This is literally what I go through every day when I'm trying to get dressed, y'all. It makes no sense. Anywho, we are going to move right on to these beautiful luscious lips, and I'm taking the NYX lip pencil in brown, and then on top of that I'm going to take the Velvet Teddy from MAC. Now I know this look a little light, but just stick with me, okay? Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the Butter Gloss from NYX in the color Madeline, and that's going to bring it all together. How cute! Just watch. Boom, there she is. Now back to the hair. There's really nothing special going on. I'm really just taking these flexi rods out, not no particular way at all, just removing them from my head at this point.
I look like babe, now I'm on the way. But you know when I'm about a mile away. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait. The party's starting when we pull up to the gate. Girl, we so late, I'm just with the crew. We ain't out here looking for boo. Cause some nights be better with you. It's a homie, softly kind of mood. And tonight we on 100. No drama, no baby, my boss keeping it cute. Ooh, ooh, that's just what it do. And that's just how we do it. Yeah, that's just how we do it. You like it what I do. You know how to keep it cool. And that's just how we do it.
At this point, I have went from Dusty and Crusty to a midnight snack. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
He say, where you from? Well, I'm out of space. Cause the back the only thing I'm tryna chase. I'm in my head. Just tell the DJ, press play, rewind, keep it on repeat.